Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on photo tags on your push notification settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, now click preferences, now click push notifications, and here we find this photo tags. Just click on it like this and it should be turned on. And that's how to turn on photo tags on your accounts on X, Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.